If you copy simple Bible verses, you can actually make over $1,700 in a single month. And no, this isn't clickbait. This is exactly what's happening right now on a small little site called Amazon. You click for a reason and you're in the right place. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step strategy that everyday people are using to earn over $1,700 a month copying Bible verses and earning real repeatable income completely online. They do this by creating simple books on Amazon and selling it through the KDP platform. We'll look at how these books work and why they're in such high demand. This isn't about being an author or having a big platform. It's about tapping into a niche that people genuinely love and building a product that meets that need so you can profit. I've spent years researching how to turn book building into a profitable business and testing what actually sells on Amazon. I've done the heavy lifting so you can follow a clear roadmap with no confusion. With that being said, let's get into it. So if we actually head on over to Amazon and look at these books, that all you have to do is copy Bible verses, paste them in these books, and you can sell them on Amazon KDP and start making sales. So here you can see, here's a Bible verse coloring book. And then another one, a Bible verse coloring book. Now these coloring books are very easy to make. And then all you do is you slap on and copy a Bible verse, any Bible verse that you want, onto these pages, and people actually buy these books. And why do they buy these books? Well, it's because these books are based on the Bible, because you're just copying these Bible verses. It's not like you're making things up from scratch. As long as you can put together a nice coloring page, copy and paste Bible verses, you can create these books and you can have them on Amazon in no time. This is an example of a coloring book with a Bible verse. As you can see, here's the Bible verse, by his wounds we are healed, Isaiah 53:5. And then the coloring image in the back that if you know how to use AI art generators, you can easily create these images that you can use for these books. Here's another one, very simple, fear not, for I am with you, Isaiah 41:10. And then a coloring background that once again, you can use art generators to generate these images. Now that's all fine and dandy, but we want to get to the business side of this. We want to know how to actually get these books sold. So what do? Well, the first thing I do is I look up here at this Titans Quick View plugin that I use. And the first thing that I look at is going to be the total results. Right here it says 2,278. Now I've sold thousands of books on Amazon KDP, and over that time, I found 3 simple steps that I always follow to ensure that my book has the best chance at getting ranked on the first page of Amazon, where most of the sales happen. Now, the first one has to do with search results. Now, you don't want to be competing in a niche that's overly competitive and has thousands and thousands of books that you're going to compete with, because let's face it, it's going to be too hard to get ranked on that first page of Amazon unless you're running lots of expensive ads on your book. So what I'm looking for are search results of about 1,000 or less, because it's going to tell me that the niche isn't overly competitive, which gives my book the best chance at getting ranked on the first page of Amazon so it can be seen and it can be sold. So coming back over to Amazon, we see total results 2,278, well above that 1,000 or below that I'm looking for. So this is going to tell me that even though there's a lot of books here selling very, very well, because I can see that with the bestsellers rank, for example, 39,000 right here. Well, it's a little bit too competitive for my taste, but that's okay, because that just means we have to niche down or find a sub niche that's within this Bible verse coloring book so that we can get the total results lower to exactly what we want. And exactly what we want is what we get. I did the research for you and I found Bible verse coloring book for kids. Now, this is going to be in the same realm, but geared towards kids. So a little bit of a different book, but still you're just going to copy and paste these Bible verses. But now instead of regular books, these are going to be for kids books. And so 891 results, a lot lower. This is a really good number to have. It shows that this niche isn't overly competitive, which means that it's going to give your book a better chance at getting ranked here on the first page of Amazon, where it can be seen and it can be sold. Now, the second thing that I look for has to do with demand. There's no point putting a book up on Amazon if nobody is looking for that type of book and nobody's buying it. So what I do to find demand in any given niche is to look for at least 3 or more KDP books that all have a bestsellers rank of 300,000 or below, because this is just going to tell me that these books are consistently selling, which means that there's some sort of demand here. So let's go ahead and check out some of these books. Now, the first book on this page is not actually a KDP book. How do I know that? When I hover over the book using the plugin that I'm using, under publisher, it doesn't say independently published, which means that in fact, this is not a KDP book. And the same goes for this book right here and this book as well. Actually, the whole first row doesn't have any KDP books. So I just keep going on row to row. Now here, there still aren't any books. But when we move down more, we start to see KDP books. For example, here's one right here, independently published, ranked at 9,735. And if we scroll down some more and look at these books, we have another one right here, independently published, ranked at 15,000. And then just scroll some more through these books real quick. And then we're gonna find a few more here. Here's one, independently published, 19,000. That's already 3 high performing books in this niche. And then we have this one, independently published, ranked at 23,000. So that's already 4 books and counting. Here's one right here at 33,000. So we know that there's definitely demand here for these Amazon KDP books. Now, the third and last thing that I look for basically just validates the first 2 steps, and that has to do with a niche score from the plugin that I'm using called Titan's Quick View, and that score that I'm looking for is at least 50. So we see here Titan's Quick View niche score. This is the score that I'm looking for, big green circle right here with an 85, one of the highest niche scores that you can actually get with Titan's Quick View. So even this plugin is saying that this is go, go, go. There's a lot of potential here for success, which means we can move on to the next step. And that is to do some research on the actual books in this niche. So if we take a look at this book, this one's titled A Coloring and Activity Book for Girls. God Made Me Special, 30 pages of Bible verses and Christian images for kids to color. Now, the first thing that I noticed is it's only 30 pages. So only 30 coloring images, total print length 71 pages, very, very tiny book, 8.5 by 11 inches, your typical coloring book size. And if we look at the rating, 4.8 out of 5, 89, nearly 90% of people rate this as a 5-star, which means we really want to take a look at the interiors to see what they're doing and see if it's something that we can replicate. Now, this book has a price point of $9.99, which is really, really important because of the recent Amazon changes with the pricing on KDP books. And I'll tell you about that in a moment, but it's important to actually price your activity books, your coloring books, no less than $9.99. Now, if we go and look at this graph real quick, let's go all time. We can see the performance of this book over the past couple years. There are ups and downs with this book, but as you can see, certain times of the year, it sells very, very well. This one around March, April, another time around May. This one is April, May, same thing. Around December, holiday season, kind of the same areas it does very well, around Easter and around Christmas time. Now, if we take a look at the A+ content, which is just the place where publishers can add more information about their books to kind of showcase the book for customers, we can see a couple interiors here. And as you can see, there are the Bible verses on the bottom and a nicely put together coloring page. Now, if we take a closer look at the actual sample, this is the close-up of the coloring page, a bunch of elements here, and then the Bible verse that you're going to copy and paste onto your coloring book, and then a little quote or a saying right here, kind of the same thing with all of these pages. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at the bestsellers rank, this one's ranked at 15,097, and plug it into this KDP book sales calculator, we can see estimated book sales about 18 books per day, which equates to about 540 units per month. So if we go ahead and grab a calculator and type in 540 units per month, multiply that by the number that we're going to get from this website right here. This is KDP's royalty calculator. And if you put in all the information, which I've already done, 8.5 by 11 inches, 71 page count, $9.99, we submit that, we get an estimated royalty of $3.15 from the Amazon.com marketplace, where most of your sales are going to happen. Now, the reason I said it's important to price your books at $9.99 is because if you watch over here and I take away 1 cent, put it at $9.98, we submit that, the $3.15 turn into $2.15 because the royalties get slashed 10%. And that is with the new Amazon pricing change with KDP Books. So you really want to start pricing your books at $9.99 so you can still maintain a healthy royalty. Now, if we go ahead and take our 540 units per month, multiply that by the royalty here per book of $3.15, we're going to get over $1,700 per month in estimated royalties coming from this one single book. Now you might be saying, Jeff, how am I going to create this book? Well, it's not as hard as it may seem. You really are just going to copy and paste Bible verses into these coloring images. So I'm going to show you how to easily create one of these coloring pages so that you're not confused and you can actually create the full book and have it up on Amazon so you can start profiting from these Bible verse coloring books. Now, I found this on Creative Fabrica. So for example, if I were to create an Easter themed Bible verse coloring book, I could use these types of elements and incorporate it into my coloring pages. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Now on Canva, you wanna make a custom size 8.5 by 11 inch design. Create that new design and you're gonna come up with this page right here. Now, typically the first page of a coloring book is gonna be a book belongs to page. And what I like to do is I like to go to text, add a heading, and just type in this book belongs to, or you could even do this coloring book belongs to, and then just kind of resize it like this, and then play around with the line spacing here. Kind of want to close it up like that. Now, the one thing I do like to do is I like to go to effects and hollow it out because I like to turn this into a coloring element as well. And then we're just going to make it a little bit bigger, just like that. And then go to elements. I'm going to put a line on the bottom here and just extend it, have a little bit more space, and then just center the whole thing. And that's typically what I like to do for my first page in any coloring book. Now, when I add a page, this is going to be the backside to this page. So for bleed through purposes, you don't really want to put anything here. So you want to add another page. Now, this is where we're going to go and build this coloring page. Now, if we go ahead and grab all of our elements here, I'm going to go and upload this all into Canva. And we're going to see right here that it's showing up here. And all we have to do is start clicking on them. Just put them on the page. You can make it smaller so you can fit multiple elements here. Now, what I want to do is give a little space here for the actual Bible verse. And to actually grab that Bible verse, you can either go online and look for Bible verses, or if you have a Bible, you can go through your actual Bible for these verses. Or if you have neither of those and you want it really easy, you could just ask ChatGPT. So I just asked ChatGPT, give me a list of Bible verses that would go great for a kid's coloring book. Let's see what it comes up with. So I did emphasize that would go great for a kid's coloring book so that it knows not to give too long of these verses. And as you can see, very short verses, very nicely done. All we have to do is copy and paste this. So I kind of like this one, be kind to one another. Let's go ahead and copy this, go back to Canva, open up a text box here and just paste it in there just like that. I'm going to go ahead and play around with this to try to get it to fit exactly where I want it to be. Now I went ahead and played around with the elements, repositioned them and resized them. And this is kind of what I came up with. Now there's one other thing that I want to do is I want to go hit effects and I want to hollow this out as well. And then let's go ahead and play with that line spacing, bring it closer to one another, and then kind of put it down there. And you get the idea. Just build your page, customize it, modify it, make it look really nice, and just duplicate this process about 30 times and you're gonna have a completed book in no time. The opportunity is real and it's happening quietly. While most people are chasing complex side hustles or trying to go viral, others are building slow and steady passive income, one simple book at a time. If this video sparked an idea, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Also, drop a comment and let me know what kind of books you're thinking about publishing, and grab my free KDP royalty roadmap. It's linked below and it'll walk you through the exact strategy I use to find, validate, and scale books that sell. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.